Maaliwalas at high-end na community ba ang hanap mo para sa pamilya mo? Malapit lang sa Metro Manila pero sana hindi mabigat ang monthly amortization? Then join me for another house tour. This is Kiara Sabido at nandito ako sa Sydney Model here at Anyana
Complete
Bel Air. Finish na rin pala to upon turnover ha, kaya wala ka nang iisipin at lilipatan mo na lang to. May provision ka for 1 to 2 carport and this gonna be your ground floor for your living, dining, and kitchen area. May 1 toilet and bath ka na rin sa ground floor na complete finish na rin ang turnover. And may service area ka na napakaluwag din na pwede mong i-expand upon turnover ng unit sa'yo. Single attached na rin pala tong unit natin, kaya naman may extra space ka for gardening. For a standard inner unit, may minimum lot area ka na nga na 80 square meters at kung ang target mo naman ay corner lot and end lot unit, as of now, marami pa tayo sa inventory natin kaya wag ka na magpahuli. Upon reaching the second floor, meron ka ng 3 bedrooms with room partition na yan and syempre complete finish na rin ang turnover natin. And of course, may 1 toilet and bath ka na rin dito for common use. At dahil nga complete township tayo for Anyana Bel Air, panalong-panalo ka talaga sa amenities and package inclusion ng property na i-avail mo. Package price starts at 5.4 million pesos only and this is available through bank and Pag-ibig financing. RFO at pre-selling units tayo and down payment starts at 43,000 a month lang at 17 months to pay lang yan ha. And once approved ka na sa bank, ang estimated monthly amortization mo naman is at 35,000 per month. O diba, abot kaya talaga. So paano? Tara, tripping na tayo. Link in bio or call or message us in our Viber, WhatsApp at IMO number. See you soon at paalam.